Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to change Telegram desktop download location. I mean how to change the path where you want your files to be downloaded. Well, let's open Telegram. Then, on the left side of the screen, you should click on those three lines. And let's go to Settings. Then we need to open Advanced. And in this tab we need to click on Download Path. And here we have three options. As for the first one, Telegram folder in System Downloads is the default option, which means that all files from Telegram will be downloaded in the same folder like any other files from the internet. As for the second option, it's temp folder. If we choose this option, Telegram creates a temp folder where all the files will be downloaded and will be uninstalled at the moment when you log out. That's definitely not so convenient. And the last option is custom folder. I guess this option is more preferable because we create our own folder, name it, and just choose a path where we want all the files to be downloaded. So let's click on it. I'll choose desktop. Now we need to create a folder and name it somehow. Telegram download. Okay, let's just select this folder, then click on Save. Well, we changed the path, and now all the files from Telegram, videos, pictures will be downloaded in that folder on your desktop. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, press the like button and that bell to receive notifications.